Horizontal bag feeder adjustment. Step 1. Loosen fixing bracket. Step 2. Adjust bag width. Turn the side handwheel to adjust the bag chamber width until it matches the actual bag width recommended clearance. Step 3. Secure bag length. After confirming bag length alignment, firmly tighten the fixing bracket while maintaining proper bag tension. Integrated ribbon coating position adjustment. Step 1. Vertical position adjustment. Loosen 2 fixing screws under the conveyor belt. Adjust baffle plate vertically to align with desired coating height. Tighten screws while holding alignment tool in place. Step 2. Horizontal position adjustment. Loosen 4 mounting screws on coating mechanism. Slide entire device horizontally along guide rails. Zipper opening position adjustment. When the bag width does not match the width of the machine's zipper opening device. Step 1. Access PLC control interface parameter adjustment. Step 2. Set the gripper positions. Bag gripper open position, input 75 mm, bag gripper close position, input 60 mm, press Save Parameters button. Step 3. Mechanical reset. Step 4. Enter functional debugging mode. Step 5. Activate clamp adjustment. Step 6. Verification and calibration. Bag under opening system positioning adjustment. Step 1. Bag support unit height adjustment. Loosen screws on bag support frame. Lift or lower bag support device to desired position. Step 2. Bag opening suction cups adjustment. Loosen the vertical screws. Vertical adjustment of suction cups position.